On your health tonight, detecting the causes of long COVID. There's a new study that suggests that low levels of serotonin could be one of them. Joining us in our newsroom is to explain all of this, Dr. Todd Ellerin, the Chief of Infectious Diseases at South Shore Health. Always good to see you, Doctor.
Hey, Dr. Ellerin, it's great to see you. Thanks for coming in. And by the way, be careful, because if our director doesn't like your answers, you're out fast, just like traffic, so stand by. So let's talk first about serotonin. Why do some doctors refer to it as the happy chemical?
Right, Eddie, you know, it's referred to as the happy chemical because serotonin is a chemical that communicates in between brain cells, and it helps regulates our mood. It keeps our mood more optimistic, more joyful. It also helps us sleep better. The other thing is that serotonin not only works in the brain, but it works outside of the brain as well.
So, Doctor, long COVID, you know this because you're a doctor. It's difficult to diagnose, which makes it difficult to treat. So that's why researchers continue to try to find a cause here. So what about serotonin got their attention?
So Maria, let's get right into the study. These really brilliant researchers from the University of Pennsylvania looked at patients who had COVID, and they saw that patients who had acute COVID had low serotonin levels. Then those that recovered, the serotonin levels normalized. But the ones who went on to long COVID had reduced serotonin levels. And that was really the crux of their study. It never normalized.
So Dr. Ellerin, what do you think of the results? What do they tell you?
I think it's really promising. It helps us understand that it's important to look and do research into things that cause long COVID or other type of post-infectious syndromes. And I think one of the key things here is that scientists have been looking for a key link between the brain, the gut, where most serotonin is produced, that in the brain, and the immune system. And I think they may have found something with serotonin. I think this is very exciting for the millions of people that have long COVID.
Could be an answer. All right, Dr. Ellerin, thank you so much. We always appreciate you.